Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hi, from welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. It's another day. If you're new here my channel, my name is Temi, and you're welcome to the Best of Family. So, in today's video, I will take you guys along with me for my Saturday routine. Like this is what I usually does every Saturday. Weekend is when you prepare yourself, your family, everything against the week. So I'll be doing laundry, cooking, and cleaning at the same time getting ready for work at night. Yeah, so I have to take the beans to hobby in this room so that it can help me pick out the dirty out of the beans while I get ready to cook. You guys should just imagine they requested for a going and fresh bread. Like I have to make the bread from scratch. Right one time, I love making bread, but because the oven we were using before got spoiled, so I stopped making bread for about almost a year. So our oven got spoiled close to a year before we got this kitchen. So I stopped making bread. I could not make anything like toasting, nothing, nothing. So that is why I went for my what's it called, air fryer. So as we've gotten the oven now, yeah, I go back and be making my bread back to back and making some. Yeah, we've shared the guys along with me anytime we'll be making at all. So we have to get some pizza to eat because we are so hungry. So he divided the pizza into two. That is my husband, brother, not my husband. So we have to divide it into two while I eat half and he ate half because I was so hungry. See that I'm eating the pizza because the hungry is hungry me. And yeah, you guys can see the kitchen, look at how dirty it is. So as I was using one hand to eat, I was trying to take the second hand to get everything ready for my dough, for my bread. So this is my milk. I'm going to get all the ingredients ready to mix my flour for bread. Yeah, and that is him helping me for dishes. Alright, so I'm trying to put my salt and my sugar. This is my wet yeast. If you guys want me to put out this bread, like the bread recipe on how to make bread at home, surely tell me. So I have to gather all my woman power for this dough because making bread needs some strength. So I'm asking for a little bit of water, a little bit every time. So I have to add a little bit of water so that it won't take too much and it won't be watering. Yeah, if you want me to drop the recipe, I'll surely do the video for you guys. So as I was mixing my flour, the kids came in and they began to pick all the dough in my bowl. Like I don't know why they do this every time. Anytime you're mixing flour, they always come around and be picking it one by one and eating it raw. So this is the dough, not too soft and not too strong. As I said earlier, if you want me to drop recipe on how to make bread at home by yourself, I'll surely do that. Yeah. So I get them some as they requested for it. Yeah. So I always put nylon, as in I always take the dough inside nylon this way. Then I will cover it. Then I'll put it in my oven. I did a big mistake while doing this. I supposed to put it in my fridge because I use wet yeast. Assume I use dry yeast, I will have put it in my oven because when you use wet yeast, you have to put it in your oven, yeah, so that it can rise. Then I waited for another hour. This bread didn't rise. I was like, okay, I supposed to put it in my fridge. Oh my god, I forgot. So I have to wait for another couple of hour. Then yeah, I get it done. So they were saying that they are hungry. I have to make indomie for them because I'm preparing night food, not afternoon food. So I have to make indomie while I get ready to prepare this baby girl milk because all of them are hungry. So I have to get everything ready for them so that they won't feel hungry anymore. Yeah, so as I was doing that, our dough is still inside fridge. So yeah, so this is the leftover beans, the one we pick remains. So I have to store it in this nylon. Like with this line now, you are good to go. No dirty can get inside your food. So you close it, then you're good to go. Yeah, it preserve your food well. So I will try to get all these dishes done because I don't want to leave or left any plates dirty while I'll go to work. So I'm trying to prepare my beans. Like my beans there. At the same time, I'll go on and clean my fridge because that fridge needs to be clean. Yeah. So I think I'm going to leave you guys to watch it now. I'll come back later to you guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
All right, fam. So I'm trying to pick out everything, take out everything in the fridge while I get the fridge ready for cleaning. Yeah, because that fridge needs to be clean. Like seriously. Okay, you guys should sit back, watch, and I'll be back in a short.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the.
All right, guys, my dough is ready. I'll first of all spread some flour on the table. Then this is my dough, and I'll take my cutter, I'll cut it into the size I want. I didn't have this pan for bread. I don't know I have this pan for bread. Oh my gosh, it will look like Nigeria vibe. But I don't have the pan, so I have to make it in any size at all. Yeah. So this is me trying to prepare my dough. I'll take my roller and I'll roll it. After that, I'll surely roll it this way again. You guys usually say how I prepare it. But if you want step by step video, let me know in the comment section. I am here for you guys. What am I doing? Yeah, so this is it. I'll try to roll it this way. Then I'll do it red. Like seriously. After this, I'll try to cover it like a couple of minutes. Then I'll put it in my oven. You guys should sit back, watch it to the end. Then I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay well, stay tuned, and don't go anywhere. Don't Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye for now. Don't forget to love yourself. Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.